Welcome to another session on games and tournaments. Today I have picked up a sample question from CAT 2008, which we shall be discussing. Okay, this question had appeared in CAT 2008. It is a question that is based on games and tournaments. It says in a sports event, 16 teams, A, B, C, D, E, and F are competing against each other. Matches are scheduled in two stages. Each team plays 3 matches in stage 1 and 2 matches in stage 2. No team plays against the same team more than once in the event. There are no ties. The observations at the end of the competition of stage 1 and stage 2 are given below. So we have one team in stage 1 that has won all the matches. There are 2 teams that have lost all the matches. D lost to A, but won against C and F. Okay. E lost to B, but won against C and F. B lost at least one match, and F did not play against the top team in stage 1. Now, when we look at this table, we need to populate this table and possibly get our answers. Okay, so let's begin populating this table. We have begin here. We write team A, B, C, D, E. Again, A, B, C, D, E. Now, we know A cannot play against A. We can do this. B cannot play against B. C cannot play against C. And F will not be against F. Okay, our first set of data is done. D lost to A. And when we say this, D lost to A, that means A won against D in stage 1. D lost to A. This is also part of stage 1. D lost to A. But won against C and F. D has won against C and D is won against F. Similarly, C has lost against D and F has also lost against stage 1. E lost to B. E, that means B has won against E in stage 1, and E lost to B, also part of stage 1, but won against C and F. E has won against C, E has won against F. Similarly, F has lost against E, and C also has lost against. Okay, we have B lost at least one match, and F did not play against the top team in stage 1. Now, we have for D, we have a set of 3 matches. For E again, we have a set of 3 matches. For F2, now F did not play against the top team. Now, and we have further information that 2 teams lost all the matches. Now, 2 teams lost all the matches. It can possibly be C and F because we have B and A that have won one match at least, the teams. So if F did not play against the top team, F has to play against B and lose. So B has won against F and F has lost against B. Similarly, we have C. So B lost at least one match. So we are left with the So the team against which B can technically lose here is A, because the only data that is A has won against B, that means B has lost against A, fine. And C as well would be the only team for which we have missing data now for 3 matches. So C has lost against A and A has won against C. Now, so this completes the story of round one. Now, in stage two, what do we have? The leader of stage one lost the next 2 matches. Okay, so we have stage two. A has lost to E, and A has lost to F. So if we see here, E won its match against A in stage two. Similarly, F would also have won its match against A in stage two. The key teams at the bottom, stage one team won both the matches, while the other lost both the matches. Now, if F has won here, and it was one of the bottom of the teams, so it also has won this match as well. So that means C lost to F in stage two. Again, one team at the bottom lost both the matches. So C has also lost to B. And similarly, B has won against C. Now, one more team lost both the matches in stage two. The only team that is possible here is team D, because B has also won a match, C has already lost both the matches, E has also won a match, F has also won a match, A has lost matches. So the only team that can lose is D, that can lose both the matches. So D has lost a match against B, that means B has won a match against D. Similarly, D has lost a match against E, and E has won a match against. Once we are clear with this table, we'll be able to answer all the questions. The two teams that defeated the leader of stage one are E and F. That is option 2. The only team that won the matches in stage 2, that won both the matches in stage 2, are F, E, as well as B. B, E, and F won the 2 matches that they played in stage 2. The team that won exactly 2 matches in the event are, if we look at this, it is not A winning exactly 2 matches. It is not B, neither C. D is the team that has won exactly 2 matches. F is also one of the team that has exactly won 2 matches. The rest of the teams have won more than 2 matches. The team with the most wins in the event, A is there with 3 wins, B is there with 4 wins, D is there with 2 wins, E is there with 4 wins. So the answer would be B and E. So once we are clear with the drawing of the table, the solving of the question will become extremely easy. I hope all of you have been able to understand the concept with games and tournaments. Thank you, everyone. Hope it was useful for all of you.